Guess what I'm doing here? Yep, it's that time. No snow, no ice here yet, just rain. It's a little too warm to do any of that silly stuff. But anyway, here we go. I just love putting out hay and feeding cows when it's raining. Y'all have a happy day. Stay safe, stay warm, stay off the road now. I'm not out there to save you anymore. Y'all can look and see. Man, it's coming down.
I carry my saddle by the side of the road.
It's the other side though.
Hard rain's falling, wind blowing.
Alright. Raining, cold, nasty. Cows are huddling up. I'm moving hay rings to give them a windbreak over next to the road. There just ain't no way to make shit warm other than keep your bellies full, keep the stress down. Ranch life, easy, ain't it? It's a lot easier than it used to be. We used to only have open top tractors. And it was bundle up and get out here and freeze while you're putting out the hay. But, you know, it's all right. Got to have a little warmth to be able to take care of them. They all came out of the creek bottom and snuggled up down in there where it was warmer. We get through the next 48 hours, we'll be good. Well, last installment of the day. Ice is starting to form on the trees, so I guess we're gonna have a little ice. Get these cows fed and bedded down, get everything taken care of so I can get in the house myself. I hope all y'all do the same. Keep your butts in a locale that has a good fire, good warm place to stay, and off the road. And listen to some good tunes, I guess, as well. Check me out too. Putting out some music as well. Y'all have a great day.